In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App at ATM. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So using Cash App as an ATM is straightforward if you have a cash card. So steps to use Cash App at an ATM is first to order and activate your cash card. So first open your Cash App, tap the cash card tab on the home screen. Now tap Get Free Cash Card and follow the prompts. So once you receive your cash card, activate it by following the instructions in the app. Now locate an ATM. So find an ATM that accepts Visa cards. So almost most ATM do. So third is to withdraw your cash. So insert your cash card to the ATM, enter your cash card PIN. Now choose withdrawal from the ATM options. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction and collect your cash and receipt. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.